Oh shoot. Welcome back to the Sned Shed. We are starting the teardown of our 1986 Toyota Land Cruiser. Last video we kind of introduced it, showed all the issues. If you didn't watch that video, be sure to check it out. However, to sum up, this is a rust bucket. We have one that is wrecked. It has absolutely no rust. So we're gonna tear this baby down, do a complete restoration. There's a lot of rust on the floors, a lot of rust on the roof, a lot of rust where there shouldn't be rust, and a lot of rust where there just is rust everywhere. So in this video, we're gonna tear everything down, take everything off that has bolts, and kind of give us a better idea of the damage and what we need to replace. So stay tuned. Probably start, what do you think, getting the doors off?
Yeah, these doors suck.
These doors do suck. Well, probably fenders. Whatever, we're just gonna do it live, baby.
Yeah, anything with a bolt, take out the bolt.
Anything with a bolt, take out the bolt, screws. Should probably move the skyline though. Make room for stuff. If you guys wanna see us work on this baby right here, subscribe. TV blaster, always good. Alright, so we got some power tools. We were tired of manual labor. Oh, look at that. Alright, if you've ever done a bolt extraction, here's what they do. They give you drill bits that don't drill, and they're the wrong size. So either the hole is too big or too small and you can't put the thing in there. And then when you finally get it in there, the hole's not deep enough and you can't drill a deeper hole because the drill bit sucks. So yeah, these things are junk. Absolutely junk.
Freaking so junk.
I like that I said that and then I just got a bolt out using the extraction. These extraction sets are freaking awesome If you ever have stuck bolts, they're great. Get them at Harbor Freight. Just drill a hole, get in. It's perfect.
You're gonna be able to see that. We are taking off the lower radiator hose so we can drain it. Can't even see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that's stuck on there. I mean, that's a pretty good stream.
So we got the entire front clip off. So we got the fenders, the front two doors, and the radiator support, core support in the front off. You guessed it, of course there's more rust. I thought that core support, radiator support was actually in good shape till we got down to like where it connects down here. The water just must have really collected there and ruined it. So we're gonna need a new one of those, especially because the donor vehicle does not have one. So we're gonna need an entire radiator support. Okay, so now it is time to remove the engine. But before that, we're gonna take everything off that is connected to the engine. So all the wires, all the hoses, coolant lines, drain the oil, and then we have to go underneath as well and take off the drive lines, the front drive shaft and the rear drive shaft, because we're gonna try and pull the engine and the transmission out at the same time. So let's get to it. All right, so we got most of the stuff off from the top. Anything we missed, we can kind of clean up once we start actually taking the engine out. But the only thing left is to go underneath, remove the front and rear drive shaft, as well as the transmission mount that's under there. And then we can start getting this baby out. So we're trying to take the transmission cross member off so that we can have better access to the rest of the drive shaft bolts.
Kind of getting a little deja vu, huh?
And we're having a good time.
I don't know why he's complaining over there. That was easy. Easy as, dude. Oh, shoot. Broke a bolt.
All right, while he's down there getting the drive shaft off, I'm gonna try and get these shifters off. Hopefully it goes a lot smoother than the Jeep, but it looks a little simpler. I don't think we're gonna have to chop them off. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out our Jeep videos. Time has come. Got drive lines disconnected, shifters off, most things disconnect from the engine. If we miss anything, we can get it while we're taking it out. Just gotta get the cherry picker, slap her on there, jack her up, get her out. Okay, and just like that, we are one step closer to getting this baby back on the road. We got the front clip off, we got the front doors off, and then we got the engine out. I know I said that like it was nothing, but it was quite a lot of work just to get to this far. especially with all the rust that we have in every single nook and cranny, and rust falling on our face when we're taking bolts out and stuff. So in the next video, we're gonna work on getting the rest of this stuff off and getting the interior out so that we have a better look at what we got going on. And then we're gonna have to do the same thing to that other car over there. So it's gonna be a lot of work, and hopefully a lot of good content for you guys. So if you appreciate it, please subscribe and like, it helps a lot. So we'll catch you on the next one.